I don't know if you can see the disgust on my face. The Tom was already on the ground. He was down in there. I guess you can figure out what happened next. Gone. Okay, I've got this deer tagged and I'm going to quarter him and pack him out. I'm not going to drag him out. It's just, like I said, I'm over 1.5 miles in here. It'd be 3 hours along before I got him out. So if you look at what I've done here, I've got his shoulders, back strap, and hindquarters on this left side exposed. So all I'm gonna do is go through, find the muscle groups, take my knife, cut them out. I got this plastic bag and we'll put them in it. And then I'll do the same thing for the other side. Then I'll remove the head and neck and be ready to go. Now, they have game bags that allows the meat to cool faster, but it's cold here today. And as soon as I get him back, I'll be able to process him really quick. So, if it was 50, 60 degrees, it might be a concern, but in the 30s here today, it's still cold this morning, so I'm not concerned about the meat at all. So I'm just gonna go through here, take everything out that I can, pack as much as I can in my backpack, and we'll pack him out of here. So, once you get your deer on the ground, don't get in a rush, take your time. Do the best job you can, be diligent about recovering as much meat as possible. I like deer meat, some people don't. If it's fixed properly, you can't find anything better. But just go through, be as efficient as you can, try to maximize all the meat that you need, and take it back with you. Then you can enjoy it later at the dinner table, and you can think about how you shot this deer.